Merry Christmas.
And
Christmas
Happy
Day.
New Year.
Not yet. Christmas.
Actually, the 22nd.
It is actually the 22nd, which means in 24 hours we're going to be on our way to London with a car and a suitcase.
But when you actually watch this, we'll be in America.
And hopefully we'll have remembered everything. And today is a video of us trying to pack and make sure everything gets sorted. This one's having a nice morning. Yeah. No idea what's going on, Bing. I want you to pack everything. Ready? Woo!
We got it.
We've not even had breakfast yet. And we're also, once we're done packing, going to go shopping because we want some travel pillows. Add anything that we're about to realise we don't have while we're packing.
Cowboy.
So, yeah, definitely. So this...
And do we not need jumpers?
Oh yeah, you wrote down jumpers times 3. You need jumpers.
I want this one.
So Rachel is just grabbing her last few jumpers, and this is everything we've got. Bear in mind we're packing for 4 days: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th.
And get back earlier on the 28th.
Yeah, and then we'll just drive home on the 28th.
Can you see the grey version of this? Is it? No. Yeah, it's that. Yeah.
This one. Voila.
Thank you.
So now it's my turn. So my side is done as well. Again, feels very, very light. But we've got, for me, a pair of jeans, a pair of joggers, a jumper, 4 tops, pants and socks for each day. Then I'll be taking a coat and hand gloves with me on the day. And obviously wearing a set of clothes tomorrow.
5 socks will be enough for him, won't it?
5? Yeah, he's not going to need to change his socks. Can't think why anyway. So Noah is going for 5 socks, probably 8 pants just in case.
1 pair of PJs or 2?
2, because he is pretty good not having accidents, but you never know. Sorry, we didn't write those down either. Yeah. You're going to tell everyone what you just did. Lobbing clothes down to me to pack. And this has ended up down here. What shoes am I packing?
My grey ones.
Your grey tray, like light grey?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about for him?
We want to pack his...
Wear his green trainers, pack his black ones?
Yeah.
Pairs of shoes. I'll come back for the hats, gloves and scarves. Because this is all hopefully going to fit into 1 suitcase. And then we'll obviously spread out over 2 suitcases, but then we've got space to also bring stuff home with us. Because we do want to do a bit of shopping while we're there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, his gloves are in here. Are we not going to want them on the day though?
Probably.
Like tomorrow?
He's not hatting that.
Yeah, but he's not going to...
Yeah, he's going to want them.
We're going to be out in the cold all day. We just need to remember to put that stuff... Where did you say yours was?
My scarf is in that box down there.
You like kind of big
Yeah.
grey, black and white one?
Yeah.
Not grey, whatever colour this is. Just the scarf, yeah?
Yeah. Right, I've got 3 jumpers for him and he can wear a different one today, yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
And wear this big pleated dinosaur one.
What, tomorrow?
Yeah.
Sure.
Or do we want him to wear this? I don't know if that fits in there.
Oh yeah, that's a good warm one, that one though.
The 3 jumpers that you never wear.
Yeah, because they're the nice ones. Right, those in there. couple of these need folding and putting in.
I think I put 9.
Okay, so that is the first load of packing. Add 2 pairs of trainers. But now we need to spread it out over 2 suitcases. So if one gets lost, we have actual clothes to wear.
Yeah.
It's basically the idea. So magic of editing. Okay, if we have a look, we've now got 2 suitcases and look who's come to help pack. You've done a good job, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. 2 suitcases, both half full of clothes, both with lots of space for shopping. We've got some GIFTS to put in for someone. We have got... You're not meant to know that. You're too smart. Yeah. We have got all like toiletries. Not written that on the list.
I know. I thought about it. I do know.
Toiletries and electricals. But they'll be a tonight/tomorrow morning job. And then we need to go and find some... We want some travel pillows, don't we?
Yeah.
Darling, we're not doing any more TV now, I'm afraid.
Why?
Trying to get dressed.
Because we're going to get dressed and we're going to go get some breakfast and we're going to go out and do some shopping for that. Remember those pillows we want to get you for you, don't we? Yeah? So it's time to go pick some clothes.
I don't want to.
Oh, I know you don't. You like pyjamas, don't you?
And that's a wrap.
Continuing our very untraditional Christmas this year, we are going to do some more presents. Because we've got some presents for this little guy hidden away, ready for things he can do on the plane. So we're going to go get them
Can I do the ladder?
and see if he likes them. Go Christmas Day video. So first Christmas Day, we've got 3 piles of presents today. We've got a pile for Christmas Day in New York, and we've got a pile for when we get home. This is the first pile.
Okay. These ones are from Mummy and Daddy.
Yeah.
This one's from Grandma and Granddad.
Yeah.
These are from your aunties.
Yeah.
And this one...
I think that one might be from Chris and Stacey and
Oh, yeah.
Oscar.
Chris and Stacey, Ethan and Oscar.
Okay.
What would you like to open first?
I can do it all by myself.
Turn it
Go
over
on,
them.
then.
It's got blueberries and buttlebees on it. It's the first season of Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
Here's it. I'm gonna leave a buttlebee. Some leaves. Okay.
Ooh, what could it be?
Is that a new book?
Yeah.
What is
What book is it?
We've already got it.
We
We
haven't.
That's Superworm. We haven't read Superworm before, have we?
Then there's another superworm.
Well, there's another something. Let's see what this one is.
Let's see what this
What
one
do you think is going to be inside this one?
I'm not sure actually.
What a lucky kid he is.
3 Christmases, effectively.
He does more than that.
What's this?
Buffalo Trial!
Ruffalo's Child. We've not got
Wow.
that one either. What good
That's
present.
cool.
Who are you saying thank you to?
Thank you.
Thank you, Mummy.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're
You're
welcome.
very welcome. Okay, what's next?
You've got these 4 to do now. This one.
I want the label off.
Okay.
That one is from Auntie Lucy.
We're
Daddy!
going to go see her tomorrow
Why?
because she's near the airport.
Bingo!
Is that a bingo? Is that a chef bingo for Noah?
Wow.
What'd you say?
Thank you.
You got a chef bingo.
It's this one. Next.
So this is from Grandma and Granddad, and they've said you can play with this when you're on the plane.
Just
Okay.
opening it.
So we can open it now, but we can't play with it till we're on the plane. Let's see.
Ooh.
What is it?
Wow. Turn it round.
A Christmas book.
Oh, that's cool.
Look.
It's got little
Have a
sticky
look.
things.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, so on the plane we'll get out and play with it. Yeah?
Cool, that.
Isn't it?
Add them onto it.
This one, please.
Okay, so this one Chris and Stacey need for an Oscar. I need a bit of help with this one. Then the tape's a bit strong. Ready? Oh! Go on then. What's inside? Ah. Oh, look at the box. Whoa.
Jigsaw, dude.
We already got a jigsaw.
But that's a new jigsaw.
What do you say?
Cute.
And then this one.
This is from Auntie Jilly, I think.
Oh, look, it's all wrapped up inside. Oh, it says present to be opened before Christmas.
Oh, wow.
Good job we did that then. Let's have a look. It's from Auntie Jilly.
Yeah.
Oh, this is going to be exciting. Good job we opened this one.
No!
What's in there?
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
wow. Aren't they cute?
Wow.
Oh, no!
Oh, that's a card. Good
That's
boy.
cool, isn't it? What do you say?
Thank you.
All done for now. What a lucky boy.
And then Santa, I think, is going to bring some presents for you in America as well, isn't he? Hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aww.
Dad, where's...
Impromptu Christmas present opening done. We've got 2 more planned for him, but that was cute. He's got some stuff to take on the plane now.
Oh, sorry, Dad.
Did you miss one? Good boy. Uh-huh. We are going out to find some breakfast now. I am hungry. We've got no break since we've not made any bacon sandwiches this morning.
You got the gift card?
I brought them down. I think I thought we were going to you. Did I not? But let's go have some breakfast.
3 minutes.
And I need to go back to the car because we left it in the car, gift card, because this is one of the ones we got ourselves from like 12 months of gift cards. And we're obviously going to use it. No point leaving it in the car because then you have to spend your own money. And this is free money because we got them a long time ago. Question is, where did Rachel put them? Here they are. IKEA, the wonderful everyday. So, breakfast. Passed us for breakfast. Because that was 75p this cost once we'd used the gift card.
Dad.
And we got sausages and hash browns for Noah. Rachel has got a bacon and sausage sandwich and a hash brown. And I've got a breakfast and a cheesecake because this cheesecake is the best cheesecake in the world. And a coffee and a tea. Thanks. Is that a good hash brown?
Yeah.
And you can play in the play area when we're done. Isn't that good? Gorgeous IKEA breakfast later. We're going for travel pillows. You've got a coat.
Yep.
You've got a coat.
Yep.
I didn't bring a coat and it's raining. So this is going to be fun. You want some ice tea? Can I? Yes. Oh, absolutely useless. 3 shops, no travel pillows. So I'm going to try Dunelm, see what we can find there. Travel pillow bought. Do you like it?
Yep.
Did I put it on?
Nope.
Oi, trumper. You just trumped again.
I didn't
You did, I heard you.
know. I walked away.
Also got some treats. And we're done for the day. Rachel's auntie's coming around in like an hour, so we're going to chill out. Probably put some football on soon. And
Dad, can I
have a
watch
nice afternoon.
TV?
But there you go.
Daddy,
That was
can I watch
packing.
TV?
Can you watch TV?
Yeah.
Tell you what, we'll watch some TV when Auntie Sharon's gone. Okay, Auntie Sharon's going to come see us in a bit. We'll watch some TV after. We'll play some games first. Alright.
Dad.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Richard's auntie has been round. And Noah and I have just been up to the park. But it's a good job I didn't bring the camera because the wind is horrendous. But we're now heading upstairs and we're going to pack. This is our snack bag with way too much stuff in. And some more shoes because apparently it might be snow in there. So wish us luck. Yeah. Okay. suitcases are packed apart from like toothbrushes that we're going to do in the morning. And we've got way too much food, so that is a snack box for the car. But we
didn't
really got
realise that you cannot really. You have to declare all the food.
And
You
you
just
get
can't
that.
go with that.
So we're just taking a little bit and we'll bin whatever else when we get there. We haven't eaten it, and that can all be for the car journeys and for mum and back, which will be fine. We are going to end the vlog here today. It's not the end of the day yet, but we need to get this vlog sorted out and get the camera charged ready to take you with us tomorrow morning. So this is the end of Christmas Day for you guys. Hope you had a lovely Christmas Day whenever you're watching this vlog. We are not going to have any vlogs on the channel for close to a week while we come back from New York, start editing those videos, and they'll start being probably more of a regular schedule when we're back. But it's been a lot of fun. We actually completed Vlogmas for the first time ever.
Well done, you.
It's been a lot of fun. I've enjoyed
Tom
it.
does all the editing.
I do.
Pretty much
Called editing. It's called chop, chop, chop,
99% of the
tick, tick,
filming.
tick. Yes. You did a little bit in the car yesterday, I
I
spotted.
did.
When I was editing last night. But yeah, so it's been a lot of fun. We'll see you in January in the new year. Bye.
Douche.